This view is incredible. Worth every moment.
Every moment.
Route confirmed near Saltstraumen.
All readings steady.
Perfect day.
Absolutely.
Currents ahead are behaving strangely.
Keep monitoring.
My God.
Reverse engines! Hard to port now! Help us! Oh my God, we're going down!
Oh no!
Oh God, look at the hole!
We're all gonna die!
Help me, I can't hold on!
All passengers, return to your cabins immediately and put on life jackets.
Keep moving, everyone. Stay to the right. Watch your step on the slick floor. We're almost at the stairwell. Hold steady. We need a clear path.
Confirmed. We're holding steady, sir.
Don't worry, my brave boy. Everything is going to be fine. Just hold on tight to me.
We're losing pressure on the starboard side. Get those valves open now.
Hold on, Sarah. I'm trying.
We have to get inside.
Mayday! Mayday!
Hey, this is the cruise ship Poseidon. Coordinates 23 north, 126 west.
Get those lines secured now. We have a ship in distress. Move, move, move! It's pulling us down.
Help me!
Hold on tight, everyone.
Full power to starboard engines. Cut port engines.
Hi, Captain. Starboard engaged, sir.
Hold on to something!
Help me! I got you. Hold on tight. We're gonna be okay. Hold on. Don't let go.
Base, this is Lit 1.
The cruise ship is fully engaged in the Whirlpool, lifting severely.
It's breaking!
Get back, quickly!
We have to get out of here!
Full ahead. Flank speed. Hard to starboard.
Engines responding, Captain. Trajectory stabilizing at the outer rim.
Execute the slingshot maneuver now. Full power.
Aye, Captain. The vortex pull is lessening. We have a 5-degree change in trajectory.
We've lost the starboard engine, Chief! She's losing stability!
Trying to override the shutdown, Captain. Give me more power to the bow thrusters. We're losing engine power. All ahead full. Mayday, we are going down!
Prepare the lifeboats. Evacuate while we still can.
Stay calm, everyone. Keep moving along the railing.
We are almost there! What about the Whirlpool?
We have to prioritize the children.
Bypass the regulators, now!
We're showing red lines across the board, Chief.
I don't care. Give me power. Full ahead.
Cancel lifeboats. All engines full power, now. Full power to the starboard side. All hands, brace yourselves now. We are clear of the Whirlpool now. The rescue teams have us secure. The spin has stopped. We are clear.
It's over. We're safe.
Begin full damage assessment.
We made it!
I know, I can't believe it. We are safe.
Thank you all for your cooperation and bravery. We'll proceed to the nearest port at reduced speed for a full safety inspection.
It's okay, darling. We made it.
Yes, miraculously.
The danger has passed. We're stabilizing the ship.
We made it!
Look at that sunset! I can't believe we survived that thing.
Thank God the Coast Guard arrived. She's stable, Chief.
Thank you, everyone. I'm proud of what you did here today.
I can't believe we made it through that.
Look at the coast. It's absolutely breathtaking.
Is a developing situation at Saltstraumen. The near miss of the cruise ship has global implications.
The currents there are simply too powerful to navigate safely. It was reckless.
Oh, thank God. We're safe. I love you so much. I was so scared. Papa, we are here.
Welcome home, everyone. We are so glad you are safe.
We need the navigation records from the last 72 hours.
Right away. Everything is logged electronically on this console.
The sudden whirlpool required a desperate escape maneuver. My crew acted bravely, but ultimately I take full responsibility for the incident.
World strains.
The Saltstraumen has the strongest tidal currents in the world.
As you can see here, the cruise ship approached danger. I am so glad you are safe.
It was terrifying, but we made it.
Your decisive action saved countless lives. We thank you.
The Saltstraumen incident underscores the critical importance of our new tidal monitoring systems. By
I've never seen the maelstrom churn like that. It's a miracle we made it through.
We are truly lucky to be here now.
Look at the sheer power of that whirlpool.
It really makes you respect the sea, doesn't it?